Our lecture for today is about exception handling in a RESTful API. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Let's begin. As in all application development, proper error handling must be in place to complete the system. In this case, we will present an entity not found exception during a get operation. Now let's open the category controller class and go to the onCode method. In this case, we are throwing a category not found exception. A find by code returns null. A category not found exception extends abstract resource not found exception with constructor that formats the error message. This will serve as the parent class that can be extended for other entities. Now let's go to the error handler. We can implement ways, but for this exercise, we will use two. The first one is by using the REST controller advice annotation. So let's open the category not found advice. Here we have a method that accepts an exception and an exception handler annotation that specifies the exception that it handles. We can also specify the response status by a response status annotation. Or if you want, you can return a response entity. And in that case, you can remove the response status annotation. Now let's open the application exception response handler class. The second approach is by extending the class response entity exception handler. It lets you customize the Spring exception message. A well-known instance is when handling the validation errors, as can be seen from the handle method argument not valid method. Now let's run the application and open the Postman. Let's run the create test without code to see the formatted errors. This is by using the method number 2. Here we have the errors, the formatted errors. So we have the code, please provide a valid code because we didn't specify any code, and the size must be between 3 and 50. And this is the find by category, which we have a UID that doesn't exist. So it returns this formatted error from the method 1. So could not find category with ID. And that's it for this lecture. I hope you have learned about error handling and how you can incorporate it to your application. In the next video, we will discuss how you can version your API. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.